Hey guys, so I was going to do a video with the Beauty Blender, the new Beauty Blender foundation, and the Clarisonic foundation brush, but my Clarisonic was charging all night and now it doesn't work at all, so cool. I guess 3 years is the limit for Clarisonics. So now I'm just going to do a video with my Smashbox Punked Eye Palette. I was really excited about this palette because it's all cool tones, which is what I'm all about these days. I'm going to get started on the eyes. So I'm priming with my Too Faced concealer. First shade I'm going to go in with is this kind of like dark gray that's like more on the lilac side. I'm using just a shader brush and I'm going to pack that into my crease. I haven't used this yet, so this is almost like my backdrop color. And now there's nothing really left on the brush, so I'm going to lightly blend that edge out, but I will be going in with another color to further blend it. And I'm also going to do the lower lash line. And this is also only going halfway. Okay, now I'm going in with this lighter purple shade, and this is a Morphe E17. It's just a smaller crease brush to blend that out and then go a little on the inner part of my crease. So now on the front part of the lid, I'm going in with that light pinky shade, and I'm just going to pack that on. Then I'm going in with that silvery shade, and I'm going to tap it kind of like as a transition. Wow, that shade is really pigmented. I'm actually going to tap that shade on the whole front part of my lid. Pretty. Then I'm going back in with that gray on the outer corner. Okay, and then with a tiny brush, I'm going in with that super dark shade. Almost black, but not quite. Just on the outer corner. And a little on the outer corner on the bottom. And I'm going to put a little bit of this shade on the center. Alrighty, lashes and mascara on. I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. I'm going to start with some bronzer. I'm using the Rosewood bronzer from Anastasia and my Morphe E3 brush. I feel like it's important to have warmth in the face when you're using really cool tones on the eyes, just so you don't look dead unless that's what you like. Alrighty, for blush, also from Anastasia, it's the Pool Party Trio, and I'm using the shade Blank. This is just a 945 from Deli & Tools. I like to bring the blush up pretty high towards the eyeshadow. You don't have to, I just think it looks cute. For highlight, I'm using the Artist Couture highlight in the shade Coco Bling. So for the lips, I have this. It's Punked Rock from Smashbox. I think I want to wear this, but it's metallic and I don't like metallic, so let me try it on and we'll see. Yeah, no. Okay, honestly, I think I'm just going to go in with black. This is Witches from Kat Von D and Scully, the lip liner, also from Kat Von D. Okay guys, so that's it for the look. If you have any questions or anything, let me know, any requests. Yeah, I'm really feeling this black lip. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you have an amazing day.